In previous tutorial we made assembly of 90-degree V-twin engine. Now we are going to make a 2D drawing with the help of this. So first you have to open all the parts. Now look, in background I open all the parts: piston, crankshaft, connecting rod, cover and assembly. Now with the help of these parts we will make 2D drawing. Simply open file, activate new, and here choose drawing. Okay. Now here is standard sheet and custom size sheet. I am going to choose standard size sheet. Only show standard format. If you uncheck this, you will see lot of formats. But I am going to choose any one standard. So A3 ISO size. This is the width or size. Okay. Now all the parts are open. So that's why it is visible here. So simply uncheck. Now right click on sheet, properties. Now from here you can change name of the sheet, first angle, third angle. In most of the cases we use third angle. Even you can change sheet format from here. Let's say apply changes and close. Now open here view palette. Now you will see here, drop down this option and you will see all the parts available here if you open in background. So select first part and see this is visible here. So let's drag first part. Drag, press escape key to out or say yes. Again click on this. Now you will see this is top view selected. If you want to change this view you can change it, but we will keep this one as it is. Top view. Now here I am going to choose this one. Now actually I want to make a shaded view, but before going to make shaded view, copy these all lines. Now press and hold shift key and select these all line. Go to sketch, convert entity. Even again hold shift key. Just check which lines are balanced. These are the hidden lines. Convert entity. Now again click on this and here you can simply choose shaded view, high quality. Now see all the hidden lines are visible here. Even though if you want to change layer, because in this layer this is going to be like a format. Again I am going to select those. Let's go and choose format. Okay, just okay, let's do one more thing. Click and I'm going to choose here scale, use custom scale 1:1.5 because I want to accommodate all the drawing in one sheet. Okay. Now here go to drawing, activate section view, and here you will see half section. So go to half section and I am going to use this left side up. This is going to be suitable. Just move my cursor and place at center. Now look, drop down and place. Look. Okay. Simply again going to projected view. I want to make side view of this, so click this and move your cursor and you will see the preview. Simply I am going to move here. Even though if you move here you will see isometric view, but we don't want. That's it. Now here there is one more option, detail view. Now in detail view we are going to make simple hidden line removed. Cosmetic thread we don't use, so you don't need to choose this all. Just go to here. I want to highlight this. Now just move this one somewhere here. Now click this. You can change, let's say I'm going to change, okay, section view A, so this one going to B, and style you can keep either circle or broken circle, but if we choose broken circle it will looks like with arrow, it's not look good, so better to keep per standard. Even though if you want to change document font, let's say 5, okay, yes, see the size is change. Even though let's change some more thing, I'm going to change this 5:1. Look, this is going to be bigger. Say okay. Now take little upper side, so that because we want to apply all the dimensions and everything, go to annotation, activate smart dimension. Okay, let's apply dimension. Okay, this is okay, let me okay, in this case I am going to select these two, and here tolerance precision 1, so that we will save some place. Okay, go to ladder and here come down custom text position, and I'll going to choose this middle one. This is called broken ladder horizontal text. Now see, this is horizontal at any position. Similarly, I am going to select these two. Here tolerance precision none, ladder text. Okay, now you can adjust the location according to you. Okay, now even though if I am going to select this other, and here change layer, in by default format has black color. Look, let's check this, and here choose import annotation, design annotation. Now you will see some dimension you don't need to import. Smart dimension. Now I am going to apply. Okay, here come down. If you want to write anything, go to dimension text, all, ladder. Here you will see open ladder, so you don't need to do much arrows. Okay, let me define some, then we will apply some dimension, some more dimension to it. Overall length 70. Now is length from bottom to ring 65. Now select this, press and hold shift key and select the upper edge, and this is dome. Okay, now here all are, select this all. First I am going to choose, let's say, font 3 millimeter. Okay, layer format, go to ladder, position. Now go to value, precision 0. Okay, now let's adjust. Now it is, if you click you will see this option, so choose as radius. That's it. Go to ladder and here inner or outer, so inner. This one delete. Okay, this one rest we will keep as it is. Okay, these dimensions are nearly mentioned. Okay, annotation. Now here add thick. This is thickness, that's why we are going to add some kind of thickness. Now let me choose this one, ladder, change this, and let me, okay, value, and this is the gap between these two rims. So let go to dimension text gap. Okay, we mentioned here gap. Now this outer circle, okay, let me mention this, then this circle, okay. Now this circle distance from bottom, okay, let's finish this first. First I am going to choose format, font, let's say 3, even though you can do at a time all. Precision 0. Now here one option, make sure it looks more aesthetic. Okay. And I'm going to activate note, and I want to apply to this. So select this one, place, and here we have to put, so here you will see in text format there is one symbol, activate, choose diameter 18. Now again go to this add symbol, and we have to add some more. If you don't find here, go to more, and this one, depth, whole depths, click OK. Now see, it is going to add here. Now depth how much? 2.5. Say OK. Even you can use document font 3. Oh, okay. Here we applied. See, that's so simple. Even though open note, click. Now here let's say define 20. Now font I'm going to choose Roman, Times New Roman, bold, color let's say blue, and just write 1. This is part 1, piston. Okay. Okay, just locate anywhere suitable place. So the part 1 is complete. Okay, just go to, and here choose part 2 and choose refresh button, so you will get this option here, bring front. Now see, this is by default, it is aligned with someone, so click here somewhere, press escape key. Now see, this is moving only in one direction because this is aligned with this. So right click, alignment, break alignment. Now move wherever you want. Now just adjust. Even though, okay, that's fine. Now let's check this, reduce 0.5, 1.1:5. Go to drawing, projected view, click and drag. Press escape key to out. Now select this and let's see what hidden line visible. Just click this convert entity because we want to use this. High quality, use custom scale already there. Now let's apply dimensions. In text write all gap. Now just unhide this so it looks more realistic. Now okay, now there is one angle. Click this. Now go to annotation, center mark. Already there. Okay. Now here by default already here. Again is smart dimension. Distance between these two circles you have to mention. Keep radius. This is also keep radius. This is also keep in a similar way so that it looks more realistic and practical. Inside text position center. Okay. That's fine. Now let's add to this center. Okay, let me add this select all 0. Now let's change position something like this. Format, font size 3 millimeter. Okay. Now it looks perfect. Make little nearer. Even though, okay, that seems good. Okay, that is also okay. Three. Fine. Now note, click here. First change font size of font, then size 20, bold color blue. Now let's write 2. This is crankshaft. Fine. Okay, now you can move according to your requirement. Okay, I'm going to okay, this one done. Again go to view palette. From here choose 3 connecting rod. So drag front one. Now this is also aligned with this. So place somewhere, press escape key to out, right click on this alignment, brake alignment. Drag here. First change unit. Scale, use custom 1:1.5. High quality, projected view, select this and drag. Okay. Okay, let's apply dimension to this. Okay. Now select this, go to hidden line visible. Look. Now save all. Now this is going to be saved as a drawing. So give name assembly, engine assembly. V twin engine assembly. That's fine. Save. A smart dimension. Now I'm going to give this 3mm depth. Dimension text. Depth. Okay. Now even I want to make visible these lines, so I'm going to copy this line so that I don't need to copy again and again. Convert entities. Now change the view. Go to shaded with edges. Okay. Format 3mm, and from here first I'm going to change position or custom position. Now 0. So keep something like this. Now first here let me choose these all, and I'm going to apply here none. Okay. Now even if you want to apply, let's say, radius, here you will see at bottom on arrow open ladder radius. This is diameter, okay, but I don't want this unnecessary lines, so I'm going to remove those lines. Now this outer one I'm going to make radius. From here radius. Okay, inner one will keep diameter without ladder. Now this is looks better. Note, select here. Now first I am going to change document font. Roman 20. Why I am going every time, so that you will understand and perfectly you will get the idea. 3. connecting rod. Here say OK and just move in a place so that okay, these lines are in different colors. Change format. Just check outside and it's easy to see which line is going to. Okay, okay, we will do one thing. We will just move this one here and this one little up. Okay, right click, edit format. You will see. Okay, first out of text, right click, edit sheet format. Now I want to edit this, so double click on this drawing number. You can simply choose, let's say, engine or V twin engine. Now, even though if you want to change anything, just select this font. I'm going to select the same. Here, let's say 22, bold and red. Okay. Double click on this because this is 90. Now, degree I want to add, so go to this symbol, more symbol. Here we have degree option. Degree, okay. 90 degree, V twin engine, SolidWorks. Okay. Now select all. First I am going to change document font, bold, red, and this is going to be too big. That's fine. Now go to sketch, activate trim entity. Now I don't want these all unnecessary lines. Activate power trim, just press and hold left mouse and drag over the line and see this is going to trim. Just press and hold left mouse and drag over the line. Okay. Now select all the text, delete. Now there is one more option, right click, toolbar, line format. Now with the help of this you can change, select this line, solid, size 0.5, okay, exit. Look, again right click, edit sheet format, delete, click and delete. Note, even though you can apply note here, before going to apply note I am going to change 20, bold, this time color blue, CAD CAM tutorial, but it was mistaken. There is a still scope to change 22. Select all, then 22. Okay. Now you can move and adjust. escape key to out. Now see, this is our format blocks. Again go to view palette, part number 4, and this time I'm going to bring top. Okay, right click, alignment, break, alignment. Okay, this is already break alignment. Click and first change custom size 0.5. Now this time I am going to little adjust. Projected view. Okay. Now I'm going to change this one because this is not going to fit exactly here. So 0.6, even though 0.8. Oh, that's going to be okay. Select this. Now select this because I want to copy these two lines. Convert entity. If this is a solid line, just simply choose and edit from here. Even though you will see here layer, change layer. If you select layer, now you can create new layer. Select new layer, choose color black. Now here is style, whatever style you want, thickness whatever you want, and say OK. Now here change layer. You will see there are layer 1 we created. Edit. Now select this layer 1, delete. Okay. High quality. Okay. Now let me assign some precision none. Go to ladder, text position horizontal. Okay. Now here just adjust according to need. Even though in text you can write unit millimeter. Okay. I am going to change all this. We already did, but 4, and this is going to be, we named it cover. Say OK and place somewhere wherever you have place. Okay, we already did this. Now go to the V-twin engine assembly, and here which one, the current view, diametric. The current view actually a diametric view. So I'm going to bring diametric view. Okay. Press escape key to out, select this, and I'm going to change the 1:2, 2.5. High quality view. Okay. Now let me make some places for it. Okay. Right click, go to table, bill of material. Now here top level only, BOM type, start at 1, increment at 1. Now here you can change the thickness of border, format. Okay. Now place somewhere. Now description I don't want, just move your cursor and you will see highlight, right click, delete, column, not table. Now just move this somewhere here. Select all. Now click this use document font. From here you can change it. Or all time favorite. Font size is okay. Let's little increase. Okay. See how we created a box. Note. Just click and drag somewhere. Okay. Let me choose note. Asterisk. Enter. 1 dot. Caps lock. All dimensions are in millimeters. Material is steel. Okay, let's keep steel. Third, check YouTube video for assembly. Dot. Enter. Okay, it is not changed. Let's say 20. Okay. Just adjust the things. Give possible room to this. Okay. Now here we go. Even though you can apply balloon to this, click this assembly, auto balloon. Now look, by default it's applied here. Okay. Even though choose balloon, 1, choose piston and use crankshaft. Press escape key to out. That's it. So this is how you can make. Okay, let me do one more thing. Okay, let's save this. Save as. I'm going to save as a PDF. Okay, go to PDF. Now here go to option. This is important. Export in PDF color. Keep high quality lines. Here DPI keep higher so that you will get a standard, higher standard image. See, higher quality shutter edge. If you want to see the color of this page, so you can click include paper color, otherwise you don't need. Include benchmark if you have, say okay. Now here view PDF after saving. Save. Now PDF will open. Now this is going to save. Look, it's open. Look, menu, and I'm going to view full mode. Look, don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.